Hi, my name is Daniel and today I will be cooking pancakes. These are not the thick American style pancakes but more like the French crepe.
We will need a mixing bowl, a whisk or fork, a spatula, a ladle, a pan, and your favorite toppings. Example Nutella, jam, honey or syrup. For our pancake batter, we will need milk, flour and egg in the ratio 1:1:1. 1 cup milk with 1 cup flour with 1 egg. Although there is a specific measurement when we say a cup, we do not have to be precise here since you can tweak this according to your preference. Break the egg into the bowl. Beat the egg well with the whisk or fork. Add the milk and mix thoroughly. Add the flour a little at a time and mix regularly to incorporate it into the milk and egg. This will help prevent lumps from forming. You should end up with a thick batter. If you wish a runnier batter to make thinner pancakes, just add a little more milk. Adding a little more flour gives you thicker pancakes. Make sure the pan is hot. Then add a ladle full of batter. Spread it around the pan. After about 1 or 2 minutes, you might see the edge of the pancake separate from the pan. This means it's time to flip it over. Leave it cook just a little bit more. When it's ready, you can easily slide it off onto the plate. Just add your favorite topping, roll or fold, and enjoy.
That is delicious. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Bye.